And here we have the Lego City set 60402 monster truck. Well, it's either blue monster truck, like it has on the Lego website, or monster truck. Bit of a confliction there, but that's... Here's the box. Mine came a bit damaged from Amazon, but I don't care. Now, here's the minifig. Half blue flame going up, half black flame going down. Wait a minute. Black and blue. Oh, he's a Backstreet Boys fan. Alright. Anyway, here's the back. Same thing, but, you know, more coverage. No dual face prints. And let me just sit him in the truck so we can just get on with it. There we go. Here's the spare pieces. Yes, that extra hair is included. And doot. That's all. Nice and bouncy tractor tires too. And this is a print, but I love how they use these half tiles here and here to help with the color gradients. Same thing on this side as well. Print, half tile, half tile. And yeah, that's it. So